Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In this video we're doing some encapsulated dried flower nails, and I've been wanting to do one of these sets for a little minute, but I just haven't gotten to it till now, so here we are. And I'm finally getting back to editing videos because I had scheduled my videos for like half this month in advance, and that means I just have not been editing. I mean, I've been recording, but I haven't been editing. So yeah, I'm starting off on all the nails with an ombre, and really what you should do first is put some clear on the tip of the nail to help the ombre blend better. But I had already put some clear on the free edge, not the free edge but the apex area, to help keep the tip to stay on since I'm using a peel off base coat. And now I'm going to be applying some flowers. I'm going to be applying these with acrylic, with some of the clear acrylic. And this was kind of difficult to do because some of these flowers are way too big and they stick up. But I was trying my best, holding them down for a little minute, and it ended up turning out fine. So recently y'all have been commenting again, showing support. Thank y'all so much. I have had some suggestions when it comes to polygel. Multiple people said that they've seen that you can do a polygel with an acrylic brush. So I will be trying that probably in my next video. I don't know when's the next time I'm going to do polygel, but I do have my birthday nails to upload. Right now as I'm recording this, it's 3 days past my birthday, which was the 15th. But yeah, I haven't uploaded my birthday nails yet, and they're bomb. And I'm not sure if I want to do 2 videos on them or what, because I did 2 different hands. But get excited for that because they turned out really cute. Obviously I went extra on them because it's my birthday. So anyways, I did those with acrylic. Those were acrylic press-ons. These are also acrylic. But in my last video I did a polygel, and that's the video where I got suggested to do it with an acrylic brush because those nails are like 5XL, super long, and my polygel brush is a fourth of the size of my acrylic brush. So as you can probably imagine, it took me absolutely forever to get them done. But I do love working with polygel. It's just the fact that obviously it's going to take forever because I like to do long nails. But yeah, doing this ombre, I'm just taking a pretty medium-sized bead, I think, and blending that down, starting at my cuticle area and letting it flow into my cuticle area so that it doesn't flood. I'm holding it while I'm putting it slightly away from my cuticle area. That's where I'm placing the bead so that it doesn't flood. So keep that in mind. I'm not just placing it right on my cuticle area because otherwise I would get acrylic all over my skin. And yeah, just practice your liquid to powder ratio and it should come out super flawless and in one bead. But you don't have to do it in one bead. Like I always say, you can use however many beads you want. I was just trying to speed up the process, and these nails are so simple, so one bead was enough. So when I'm placing these flowers, I like to put a thin layer of acrylic first. Mia Secret Clear dries pretty quickly, so like I placed that flower on and immediately it meant nothing that I put the clear acrylic there. But still, I like to do that anyways to help it set and stick to my nail because it will stick better regardless. And I'm kind of pushing it in a little bit. I tried several different methods because putting these flowers on was kind of difficult, like I said. But of course, I'm putting some tiny little flowers on, which was a lot easier, and then encapsulating those with some tiny beads of clear acrylic. And I'm also putting some gold foil as well. And I just want these to be very sunshiny, summery type of vibe. This is like spring nails, but I do like to call them summer nails. I do prefer calling them summer nails because they're yellow, and I feel like yellow is kind of a summer color. I don't know why, but it's kind of a spring color too, I guess. But sunflowers and yellow remind me of the summertime. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna do this on all of my nails. I'm encapsulating these flowers and this gold foil on all my nails. And I just loaded a bunch of it on because I felt like it was cute that way. For this big flower on this nail, I had to use some base coat and I put it underneath the flower and on top of the flower, and I had to end up holding it down with tweezers, or if you have like thin plastic wrap, you can hold the flower down and cure it under a gooseneck lamp. I find those really useful. Anybody who does their own nails or even anybody else's nail, for almost every set, I use my gooseneck UV light. You could use a handheld one too, but I feel like one that just you can turn it on, stick it down on your desk, and just have it there when you need it. I feel like that's so useful, and everybody needs that if they do nails with gel, of course. So I'm putting some base coat on, and then I basically just held it down with my tweezers and went under my gooseneck lamp and cured it until it was fully cured down, because it was sticking up pretty big, and I'm honestly not sure how you're supposed to use those if you don't do it this way. Because I did try to put acrylic down to stick it down and hold it there, but the acrylic wasn't holding it, and I'm not sure why, but it just wasn't. So I had to use base coat on that nail and this nail. So if y'all have any like good recommendations for any dried flowers that are a little thinner than this but still look the same, that would be helpful, because even though I got them to stick down, I still had to use a fair amount of acrylic to encapsulate these, like more than I normally would to encapsulate anything else. So just let me know if y'all have any suggestions on that. And also let me know, do y'all like spring nails, summer nails? Spring and summer nails are pretty similar, but do y'all like spring or summer nails better, or winter or fall nails? I really enjoyed doing winter nails this year, but I think I like spring and summer the best because of the colors and the flowers. It's just more my vibe than snowflakes and stuff, especially because it does not snow here in Alabama. So the spring and the summertime are just so much better for me. Plus, I just get like very down in the dumps during the wintertime because it's so gloomy. I love being able to go outside, feel the warmth, feel the sun. I don't like the bugs though. That is pretty much my only downside when it comes to the summer and springtime. Because otherwise, if it's hot, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go back inside, put my fan on, relax, and eat something cold. But in the wintertime, if it's cold, I can't ever go outside. Like, I hate the cold so much, and I hate being trapped in the house. It just sucks, and I have to bundle up in front of my heater constantly. It's just not fun. So let me know which nails y'all like best for which season, and which season y'all like better. Because I think for me, summertime is the best season. It still gets cold in the spring. I don't mind it, but I just hate the cold. I hate any little slight amount of cold. I hate it with all my heart. I hate it. So summertime, I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad my birthday's in spring, and I'm very glad it was on a Monday this year because we actually went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and it wasn't crowded at all. There was like, honestly, there was like two other people there that was their birthday too, but there was barely anybody there, and I love that. I love when it's not crowded when I go out because I also hate being around a bunch of people. So yeah, what's your favorite season? Leave it below, and what's your favorite season to do nails in? I'm gonna show y'all how I encapsulate the rest of these nails. I'm working with pretty small beads, and I'm not sticking to any method. I'm just encapsulating with however many beads I need to encapsulate with, because these nails need a lot of encapsulating. This is mostly an encapsulated set, and I say that because everything that I have in the nail, if I don't encapsulate it, it's gonna fall right off. Some of these nails needed to be a little thicker than the other nails, but I think all in all, these nails did not come out as thick as I thought they would. I feel like they came out a pretty normal thickness for how big these flowers are. So I did enjoy how thick they came out. I was really afraid they was going to be super bulky and fat, and they were until I filed them down, and I didn't end up filing into any flowers or anything like that. So sticking them down with the base coat was really helpful. I'm going to let the rest of this encapsulation play out and let y'all enjoy. It is sped up like 4 times the speed. So just enjoy this encapsulation, and I'll be back afterwards. So I went ahead and filed my nails off camera because I had already spent all that time placing the flowers, encapsulating them for y'all. So I'll give y'all a break on the filing. So after filing, I wipe with acetone. I do this with my acrylic nails. I guess I can do it with my polygel nails, but it doesn't really do much for polygel besides get rid of the scratches for real. It really works better on acrylic nails in my opinion. But now I'm going in with Rosalind Bling Glue, and I'm going to be placing down some of these gold butterflies, which are really cute, and I feel like they added just the right amounts of extraness to the set, because this did not need anything else added to it. But I cannot let these nails go without adding some type of bling, because the encapsulated flowers look really, really beautiful on their own. But if you are not new to this channel, if you are familiar with my nail sets, you know that I have to add bling. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but I'm very hungry. So if y'all heard my stomach growl just then, I'm sorry, but I'm hungry. Moving on though, I'm gonna let the rest of this play out, but after this is pretty much it. And then I'm gonna show y'all how these nails look with the top coat. This is how they look before the top coat. I'm gonna show y'all how they look with the top coat, and also with the flash on, because they look really pretty, in depth and encapsulated. I always love a good encapsulated set that kind of has like layers. So yeah, I'll let the rest of this play out, and then I'll be back after I apply the top coat. So here's a good look of how it looks before I top coat and then after I top coat. This is Rosalind's top coat, by the way. I would recommend any Rosalind top coat. It's really glassy and shiny and glossy and beautiful. So here are the nails. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and just the video in general. I'm sorry about my giant stomach growl in the middle of it randomly, but I haven't ate nothing, so that's how it is. So leave a like, that helps out a lot. So please leave a like, let me know what y'all want to see. I know y'all love acrylic freestyles. Leave a comment, and thank y'all so much for the support. Be sure to subscribe, because I will be doing more nails like this in the future, and of course more random abstract nails like I did in my last video. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time.